And I thought it was an omen. I saw 10 dead dogs on the side of the road, driving you last night to your apartment. And I thought it was an omen, so I headed back home, walked in circles round my room. Tell us if it's not, and could you rewrite the plot and come and get us, come and get us. Shivering cold, I woke up and myself around the toilet seat. I spoke in tongues and took all my clothes off. The tops of my fingers touched the tops of my toes. And oh my God, is this really what you want? Would you tell us if it's not? Stop doing what we think we want, even though we know it's not. This place is beating us up along. Come and get us, come this way before. Am I running away from what I've always been running towards? Believe in me, 'cause I don't know if this is ever gonna see why love would come to die to me. And oh my God, is this really what you want? Tell us if it's not, and could you rewrite the plot and come and get us? 'Cause we can't stop doing what we think we want, even though we know it's not. This place is beating us up along, and come and get us. The sky turned blue to black to red to yellow too, before the purple dawn was filling up my room. For a brief moment I heard the whole earth groan, like there was something